Hello there pretty faces, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, my eyebrows are done, which means I will be doing a full face using NYX products. Well, not literally like a full face, guys, there's just some things that I do not have, but what I have is what I'm going to use, because I'm not just going to go out there, buy products. I'm not about that life. I am a budget queen, if you don't know by now. So I will be using NYX products to do my full face and to give my honest review, because I don't think I've used many of their products. So what I will be using is the foundation, highlight and contour stick, the lipstick, or the lipstick, and then also an eyeshadow and the mascara. So I will be giving my full review while doing my full face on that. And another thing, if you are not following me on social media, I do not know what's wrong with you. So be sure to follow me on my social media. That is where I'm active. And if you have any questions, guys, please don't be shy to ask questions. You can either leave the comments down below, or you can ask me questions on my social media. But without further ado, what are we waiting for? Let's get into this tutorial. This is my little bag of NYX goodies. We all about that bag life. Just to give you an idea what I will be using, I will be using the foundation from NYX, mascara, eyeshadow, highlight and contour stick, setting spray, and then lipsticks. So I'm going to start off with priming my face. What I'm using to prime my face, it is not a NYX Cosmetics product, so I'm not going to tell you. I know I'm bad, guys, so. If you want to know what primer this is, be sure to leave a comment down below, and then I will be sure to give you the name. First things first, I'll be going in with the NYX Cosmetics, it is NYX, yeah, the NYX Cosmetics foundation. This is in the color, I do not know, in the color Cappuccino, yeah, color Cappuccino, and it's got a little squirt, like so. I don't know, it feels like it has like a bit of an orange undertone. I could be wrong, guys, but it looks kind of like orangey to me. I don't like the orange one. I really don't like the orange undertone, guys. Or Ewies. And this is my color. I don't know. Do you see that? It's like it's got a orange undertone, if I'm not mistaken. Oh. Okay, maybe I just need to let it oxidize. Maybe it will oxidize more, but I don't like that so far. It has like this orange undertone. Overall it's not bad, but you can see there, I just put some on my neck, and there you can see the different color. So I don't think this Cappuccino is really my color, or it's just because of the orange undertone, but it's darker than my neck. So this foundation is supposed to be full coverage. I can see the full coverage, and I feel like the more you apply, the more coverage you'll get. And I mean, this was only one application, so I am liking the coverage. You guys know that I'm not a full coverage person. I don't mind my scars. I don't mind showing like my beauty spots. I don't mind that. So it is full coverage. You know what I just don't like is the undertone, or I'm just thinking this might be a bit too dark. But let me stop complaining. Let's move on to the eyeshadow. So firstly, I do not like this brush, so I won't be using it. I'm using my own brushes. I don't think I'm going to do too much because I'm already bummed about the foundation, but it is what it is. So I'm first going to go in with this color here, the brown. I just want a very neutral look on my eyes. So I'm just gonna put this in the inner corners, oh gosh, in the inner corners of the eyes. It's not working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this setting spray, the NYX setting spray. I'm gonna spritz that on my brush like so, because that is not working for me. Not working for me. And then I'm gonna go in. That's much better. So that's much better. I'm actually liking the eyeshadow. It's, guys, I'm not even feeling of doing a lot after being disappointed by this foundation. So I'm just gonna do Eli's Miguel. You know, Miguel likes highlighting those brothers. Okay, Miguel. Then I will be going in with my NYX Cosmetics with the NYX with the Hype Mascara. I have tried this before on my Instagram, but I'll try it again and just so you guys can see if it's really with the Hype. Okay, I am loving this mascara. This is only one application and my eye is already so dramatic, so just gonna continue applying it. Today I will not be doing my lower lash because I don't feel like it. I just want a very natural, neutral look and something subtle but not too much. Now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna go in with the highlight and contouring stick from NYX. Oh yeah, by the way, this is not sponsored, guys. All this is out of my own pocket. So there we go. What I do like about this, the highlighting stick, it shows you at the back exactly how to apply it. Use like that. Because for me it's very helpful because I do not do highlighting contouring. I'm a very simple girl. Like, I like my makeup simple or dramatic, but I don't do like the whole highlighting, contouring and setting. Most of the time I don't have time for it, so we do what we have to do so we can get where we have to get, right? So here we go. I love the creamy texture, guys. It is, oh, it glides so nicely on my skin. I love it. I think my nose. And then I think I do this. Ooh, I love it. I love how easily it blends in. Oh my goodness. Where has this been all my life? Oh, I love it. Oh, it is blending in so easily, so nicely. Oh, guys, it doesn't even look like I have been contoured. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. Oh, okay. Come through. Come through. Let's try and blend it all the way out, though. Like, all the way. There we go. Let me just tell. Okay, I like this. Oh my goodness, it is so creamy and so easy to apply. Okay. Oh, love this, guys. This is amazing. Oh, I love this contouring cream. It is doing wonders in all the right places. This is one of my favorites, guys. One of my favorites. It is so easy to apply. It is creamy. It is easy to blend in. I am loving the results. It is a bit shiny, so I am gonna apply some of my powder to set it, which is not a NYX powder, just saying. Just to control the shine. There we go. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the setting spray. It's the Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX. Okay. Too much. Too much. Whew. Going in with a matte lipstick. I haven't used lipstick enough forever, so. This is the finished look using just NYX products on my face. Not everything, but most of it. My only downfall is the foundation. I think it's a bit too dark for me. So with that being said, that's like, it's a good foundation. I love the coverage. It's just the color. And then I am loving the NYX stick. Highlight and contour. It is amazing. It is so easy to blend, and you know what's the best thing about NYX products is they're not even that expensive. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.